Maybe this is a pressure tactic which the government wants to have on our MLAs so that they join their party. But this is not going to happen. I said this is politically motivated. Why they have taken 7 years to investigate the case? If the issue is the land at Kerala which Mr. Kavlikar has allegedly purchased, how much time it takes to measure that land and to value that land? 7 years? Why raid now? And why raid 4 times? 5 times now it is. At the same time, why raids are not there on those leaders of BJP who are known to be Matka bookies? Why no raids?
What is the leader?
No, people are aware. इतना भी कह सकता हूँ कि बीजेपी में है,
पंजाब में है,
बीजेपी में है, पर हाँ पंजाब में regarding one thing I am telling you, one of the bookies was campaigning for Mr. Parrikar during the last by-election. This is sufficient for you.